Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can take a screenshot, especially for a long chat within the Teams. So first of all, I will open the chat. I have one over here. As you can see, I have a somewhat long content, and if I try to take a screenshot, it would be one, another one, and one more. So this one is more like a workaround that you can try. For this one, for it to work, you will have to open the Teams on your web browser. I would say try to open it on Edge, Chrome. I'm not sure it will work on Firefox or Brave, but once you have the Teams open, like on your web browser, open the chat that you want to take the screenshot. I will provide this link for the Chrome extension. This one basically does the screenshot, and yeah, so I will just add this one, add extension. So for the current setup, I'm trying it on a Edge browser. View extension, I will pin this one just so it's accessible. Okay, so yeah, I will bring back, I will be over here in the Teams chat. Just open the chat that you want to take the screenshot. One more thing to note is that if you take the screenshot, it will start from the very top. So if you have a really long content, this would be a big file or a big image or PDF. So okay, yeah. So I have this chat open. So I will just click on the extension that we recently added. We'll click on it and I will select capture entire page. Oops. Okay. So this one is just trying to capture the whole window that was like a chat window. You did notice that it didn't included the sidebar chat that we have on this side. So yeah, it's more like a workaround, but this should work for you if you are trying to look for taking a screenshot of a really long content that you might have to scroll down a bit. So yeah, this one we have the screenshot ready. I can save it as a PDF or save as an image. I will save as PDF. I will click allow for the downloads permission. It's asking me for the save location. I will click save. And if I open as, yeah, so this one is the screenshot that I recently take from the Teams chat. I would say once you are done with this, uh, if you don't really want to use the extension, click on the uh, extension icon over here, manage extension, and just toggle it off, just to avoid this running in the background whenever you are using the web browser. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.